Now we are going to discuss typical channel of distribution. So first of all, we need to understand what the distribution channel is. Actually, distribution channel is a link between the two things, between the production as well as between the consumption. So between the producer and the consumer. So everything in between, every bridge, every connect, every link in between is considered as distribution channel. So distribution channel normally can be a single layer, a single layered channel, a single level channel, which is very simple, very easy, not very complicated. Directly producer is approaching to the consumer. So this is very simple, very easy thing. Next part, next simple thing, if I can say, it can be multi-layered also. जहां पर there can be different intermediaries जो कि involve हो जाएंगे उस सारे process के अंदर. For example, in this case, the product will not be going directly from producer to consumer. In this case, product will be going from producer to the distributor or to the wholesaler, and from these wholesaler to the retailer, and then from retailer to the consumer. So that means different levels, different layers will be added into this distribution channel. So if I can take you to one comprehensive example. So actually, a distribution channel is a chain of businesses or a chain of intermediaries which are involved in the process. From producer of selling the products to from producer, taking the products from producer to the end consumer, which means everything and anything which is taking the products, which is helping you in taking the products from the manufacturer or producer or importer to the end consumer. Let me give you good example of it. For example, here you will see the internet part also. That even internet has been considered also one of the distribution channel. That because it is helping the product, it is helping the manufacturer, the producer to get the product from to the customer, to take the product to the end customer. Now we have this graph which will help you. This figure will really help you in understanding the whole concept of this typical channel of distribution. आपको ये बात समझ आ गई है कि डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल क्या था, एक लिंक था, एक कनेक्ट है जो कि हेल्प कर रहा है फ्रॉम प्रोड्यूसर टू दी कंज्यूमर तमाम चीजों को. टिपिकल चैनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन आपके सामने इमेज के तौर पे जो नजर आ रहा है, दैट इज वेरी क्लियर पिक्चर. हमारे पास देयर इज अ मैन्युफैक्चरर. नॉर्मली मैन्युफैक्चरर सेल इट्स प्रोडक्ट्स टू द होलसेलर or to the wholesalers, number of wholesalers. These number of wholesalers will sell these products to the retailers, and these retailers normally will sell these products to the final consumer. So this is typical channel of distribution. Normally, if we say that what are the benefits associated to this typical channel of distribution, so you can really see that, for example, manufacturer A or manufacturer B or manufacturer C is selling his product to the wholesaler, and this wholesaler is selling its product to the multiple retailers, and then these multiple retailers is selling these products to the end consumer, which is the original objective. And if you see, the whole benefit in the whole process is the efficiency, because it is not possible for all manufacturers कि वो products को directly consumer तक पहुंचा सकें directly, because then it is not cost efficient, then it is not resource efficient, then it is not energy efficient, it is not efficient in respect of anything. So best possibility क्या है हमारे पास कि different manufacturers हैं, वो different wholesalers को sell कर रहे हैं अपने products को, और वो different wholesalers approach कर रहे हैं different retailers को, और वो different retailers जो हैं उनके पास तमाम तरह के customers की assortment मौजूद है, और वो उन products को sell कर रहे हैं to the end consumer. Good example हमारे पास वन पाकिस्तान के रेफरेंस है, and one example is related to, for example, मैंने यहाँ पे यूके की एग्जाम्पल मेंशन किया है. अगर हम बात करते हैं पाकिस्तान की एग्जाम्पल में, तो नॉर्मली इस टिपिकल चैनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को तकरीबन तमाम एफएमसीजी कंपनीज जो हैं वो फॉलो कर रही हैं. बेशक वो एग्जाम्पल हो यूनिलीवर के हवाले से, बेशक वो एग्जाम्पल हो नेस्ले के हवाले से. अगेन द प्रोसेस, द चैनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज द सेम. दे आर द मैन्युफैक्चरर्स इन दिस केस, or the producer in this case, and they are selling to the wholesalers. Wholesaler is selling these products to the retailer, and retailer is selling this product to end consumer. इसी तरीके से यही typical channel of distribution यूके में normally drug companies, which is the pharmaceutical companies जो हैं वो follow करी होती हैं, medicine companies जो हैं वो follow करी होती हैं. Because in this case what they do, they sell these product to the end consumer. बहुत simple तरीके से they sell these products through the retailers. Retailer buy this product from the wholesaler and these pharmaceutical are the manufacturer. तो वो कंप्लीट रोल, अगर इसको मैं वाइस वर्सा भी स्टडी करता हूं तो कंप्लीट रोल आपको हेल्प करेगा समझने के लिए टिपिकल ऑफ चैनल ऑफ डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन को. तो जब भी आपने इस कॉन्सेप्ट को समझना है, इट इज वेरी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. सबसे पहले डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन चैनल का समझना जरूरी है, जो कि क्या था हमारे पास, जो कि ये था कि वो एक लिंक है बिटवीन प्रोड्यूसर एंड कंज्यूमर. और दूसरी बात हमने कही कि इंपॉर्टेंट बात कि उस टिपिकल चैनल के अंदर तमाम इंटरमीडिएरीज शामिल हैं. प्रोड्यूसर से होलसेलर, होलसेलर से रिटेलर और रिटेलर से कंज्यूमर.